So hello everyone. Welcome to Lorenzo Data Solutions. So my name is Anipe Abraham, Success Factors Consultant and Corporate Trainer. So before I continue to explain in this episode, so I want to say one thing that this is my own view or opinion, and I don't represent anyone. So today I want to explain about the latest releases about Employee Central H2 2021 minor releases. Actually, I have shared with everyone one video, and I hope that most of you have gone through it. That was about the major releases Employee Central H2 2021. But now, whatever I'm going to explain, this is all about the minor enhancements in Employee Central H2 2021 release. So let us look at those one by one, and I'm sure these may give you more clarity about the latest updates so that you can enhance your content and you can go with the system up to date. So as you all know that the preview release is a 15th October 2021. Production release is a 19th October 2021. And I'm sure you all know it. The first minor enhancement from the Employee Central H2 2021 is more quick actions available on the latest homepage where we have discussed even in our previous classes actually. So that means this is how the look and feel, that how you will be able to experience like my team, quick action. These are all called quick actions that where you can perform at one glance, one click access kind of thing. Like you have a quick time, complete payroll, requesting a time off, pay statement. Let us see my profile, my favorite is. We used to have almost a similar kind of functionalities in a V3 homepage on a different tiles. But now you experience all these in the actions, quick actions. Now, if you look at the look and feel is also a better. So for example, if you want to see the org chart, you can see here that helps you to see the people relationship. The position org chart is different. Company org chart is different. People org chart is different. In the people org chart, you see the relationship between two people, the kind of relationship you have from top to bottom. And if you see that my profile, quick action that helps you to view the profile of the candidate, the people profile, that where you can update your personal information, employment information, and etc. If you see that my favorite is, it is just like adding the shortcuts, the frequently performed actions, that helps you to experience the functionalities at one click instant access. So like that, and I'm sure that all those who are watching this video, I don't think this is going to be something like a new kind of thing. You're already aware about it. But the only thing you experience here, the look and feel, the functionality, the layout is different, but the concept is almost the same. And you can see, hope this quick actions gives you more clarity about this latest homepage. And those who have activated this homepage in your systems, and please go and experience that. Now, with regarding the releases details, it is a minor enhancement and it's a new functionality. For the first time it is introduced. The quick action supports Employee Central, Employee Central Payroll, time off, platform, and learning, and etc. And the features that supports as of now here, it is available and it is valid from 19th October 2021. This is one of the first enhancement you will experience as a minor update. And if you just observe everyone, the major or minor enhancements, actually the mostly this release you have observed mostly on the latest homepage, and where they have given a more priority, the high priority is given, and a lot of great features are introduced, and it is giving you more completeness to experience to all the available features on the SuccessFactors BizX HXM suite. That is what we are observing. The second, minor enhancement is HRIS sync mapping directly from manage business configuration. Now from this enhancement, you can add, you can delete, you can edit the HRIS sync mapping directly from the manage business configuration. Actually, in the previous release, for the first time, HRIS sync mapping was introduced. But there were issues in the mapping we are able to experience. You can see in the red mark here. So we could not edit these in the previous release. So what you have to do, you have to go to the succession data model. But that is why, as for that enhancement, you as a consultant directly from manage business configuration, you can see, you can add, you can delete, you can edit the HRIS sync mapping for all the issues that you are going to face can be done directly in manage business configuration. This is a very important enhancement we can consider. So the sync mapping is like from Employee Central to Employee Profile. And I think there is a one video I have posted related to this, integrating Employee Central with the talent solutions with the help of the Employee Profile HRIS sync mapping. There is a one video. I have posted that long back. Those who are not aware about the features in Employee Central, you just go and watch it. That may give you better clarity about this HRIS sync mapping that I am talking here. And this is a minor enhancement, and it is available universally, and it is changed to the existing one. It is not a new functionality. It is an enhancement to the existing functionality from the previous release. Next, another minor enhancement is enhanced time management alerts possible in Admin Alerts 2.0. So in Admin Alerts, you will find time management category. So you'll have two new columns have been introduced, like a first name and last name. So, and you can, in addition to that, you can also see like a time type group, and they're all introduced. You can select the columns and you can filter admin alerts filtering directly from the admin for a time management configurations. So this is one of the minor thing. I don't know how many of you are going to use it. The last one is a country specific corporate data model. Corporate data model versions. I think if you remember somewhere some 3 years back, 4 years back, versions were always asked to maintain in your personal computer as for the backup file. As for SAP best practices, it is always good to have file management considerations like version 1, version 2, version 3. But a good thing here from this H2 2021 release, for the existing corporate and country specific corporate data model directly from Admin Center, you can also see the versions kind of thing, like a version 1, version 2, version 3, like a backup file. So when something when something happens to the current file, you always have your backup file, the previous version, and you can download it and you can work on it. So you can no longer require to help to get help from SAP support. So you can also manage the previous versions, and it helps you to give you more clarity if something happens to the data model. If in case if you are facing some issues and all, so you always have here the backup file like a version 1, version 2, and work on those also. This is also one of the great feature that you will have now from this release, and these are all the releases. So now in the EC minor releases, only these actually, and I hope these releases gives you better understanding where you can enhance your content in Employee Central. And thanks so much for watching my video. See you all again next time with a new content. Bye everyone.